Hi, I'm Ted Spaulding. I'm an Atlanta personal injury trial lawyer and founder and managing partner of Spaulding Injury Law. In this video, I want to talk about a topic that we get questions on often from potential clients who first reach out to us after an injury, and that is who pays our medical bills? And the answer to that question, unfortunately, is Georgia law requires the injured party to be responsible for their own medical bills. So you often hear things like, oh, don't worry about it, the at-fault party's insurance will pay for it, those sorts of things. We get that a lot from hospitals and the like. And the short answer is no, that's not how it works. The at-fault party's insurance company, whether that's an auto policy or some other liability policy, is not going to pay your bills as you go along. Quite frankly, they don't want you to be treating. So that's part of it. They're hoping because you have to pay for it, that you won't get the treatment that you need. Therefore, your case is minimalized and they get out of it much cheaper. So you've got to be responsible for your own bills. So the question becomes, how do you do that? You're injured, you may be out of work. How do you cover your own bills? Well, there's several ways to do that. And sometimes you have to employ multiple of these ways so you get everything covered. First and foremost, if it's an auto accident, you might have what's called medical payments coverage on your auto policy. That is there for this exact reason, to cover your medical bills, regardless of who's at fault. And those limits, however, are pretty low. So oftentimes it's $1,000. Sometimes we're lucky and there's $5,000 or even $10,000 or $25,000 in coverage, but that's pretty rare. So first and foremost, MedPay is what it's called, medical payments coverage. Number two, next best source is your own health insurance. Use your health insurance. Don't let these providers tell you, oh no, the at-fault party will pay for it. It doesn't happen. You got to get it submitted to your health insurance. Best thing you got going for you. If you do not have health insurance or your health insurance will not cover it, there are instances where that happens, then you're left to have to pay the bills yourself. Well, in that scenario, you certainly would need a lawyer at that point. Why? Because then you could get with funding companies when you're attached to a lawyer that will cover your bills for you on what's called a lien. So a running tab, if you will, where you're not paying anything, no co-pays, nothing, and the bills are getting covered by them, and then they're reimbursed out of your settlement or verdict at the end. That way, one or more of these options, you can get all of the treatment you need to get better. So again, in recap, remember, you are ultimately responsible for your own medical bills for your treatment, not the at-fault party. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me or anyone else here at the firm. Our phone number is 770-744-0780, or you can shoot me an email at tedspaulding@spauldingfirm.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.